That's what's up. So yo, we appreciate all the energy. We definitely need y'all to keep that energy going. We're about to introduce the judges, and then after that we're gonna get into the show. First off, give it up for the judges one more time, y'all. Give it up, give it a round of applause for definitely coming through. We definitely appreciate them taking time out to come judge these artists.
And give yourselves a round of applause as well for making it out on a weeknight, y'all. Give yourself a round of applause.
Give it up, y'all. Alright, the first judge, his name is Adonai. He's editor-in-chief for SingersRoom.com. It's a dope website for all you R&B artists and hip-hop artists. Make sure y'all check that out. He also contributed to Double XL Magazine, SingersRoom.com. Content is syndicated on urban radio websites, and they also help. They're actually a source for USA Today, New York Post, all the different media outlets. So definitely check them out. So give it up for Adonai, y'all. Come on.
Come on, y'all. Where's that superstar treatment?
Give it up, give it up.
Put your hands together for these judges who came out here to support you.
The next judge I want to introduce is a good friend of mine. His name is Nigel Mack. He's an A&R at Universal Motown. He's working with Jackie Chan, them Getaway Boys, Jimmy Robbins, and P.O.P. Definitely a good dude to know. Make sure you give it up for Nigel Mack. Give it up for him.
Make sure you never tonight leave with at least 4 or 5 business cards or MySpace pages.
Next judge, also another good dude. He's an A&R at Asylum Records. His name is Eric Beasley. He manages Knots. He also manages hot up-and-coming artist named Rain. And he's also a partner and producer with Smack DVD. Give it up for Eric Beasley, everybody. Alright. Last but not least, I want to introduce one of the next dudes on the come up too. His name is Sean Copeland. He works for Violator Management. He's an A&R over there. He's working with Uncle Murder, LL Cool J, G-Unit, G Malone, and Gorilla Zoe. So give it up real quick for Sean Copeland, everybody.
Also, please give it up to our all-in-one entertainment team, Llama, who's on the ones and twos, making sure.
Give it up for Llama, man.
Give it up for Shannon, the the judges, also the artist coordinator. Give it up for Ace of Spades at the door. If you guys are interested in performing in the future months, we're having audition this weekend, 251 West 30th. That's right next door on the 7th floor. Shayna's in the back. Shayna, wave your hand. Please see her, get on the email list, and she'll give you more details. Alright,
so I just need y'all to come make a couple steps to the front. I know it's thinning out, but just make a couple steps. We're going to fill up in a minute. So just make 2 steps to the front. We ain't biting, man.
It's going to be a fun night, y'all. It's going to be a fun night vibe with each other. We all family. Y'all ready to get the show started?
Go ahead. Alright, one more time. We need a superstar round of applause. One more time, y'all. Give it up.